Hey guys, my name is Danny. I am a local 7 of 6 union hairstylist, and today I'm just filming a quick video of how I'm getting ready for the Creative Arts Emmys, which is tonight. I'm actually nominated for my second Emmy with Days of Our Lives. So if you want to learn how to do this hair or this makeup, stay tuned and watch the video. You can subscribe to my channel or follow me on Instagram at danny.doeshair. See you guys soon. So I'm going to start by curling my hair with a 3 1/4 inch Marcel. I use Marcel, but you can use anything as long as it's 3 1/4 or something about that size. So I'm going to part where I would normally part, which is this way. But I'm going to go a little bit deeper just because I really want to give it that vintage vibe. So I just finished curling my hair and setting it. So I'm just going to spray with a little bit of Iron Coat Outer Spray. So now I'm going to just take these off. Okay, so now that they're all out, I'm just gonna brush my hair. So there, I'm gonna brush out with the Denman brush. Like this when you brush it out. And now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna tease. I'm gonna just brush through again till it's a little smooth. I'm probably gonna go in and do more teasing, but maybe just like on the spot teasing. Here's here, and I'm gonna get this comb it up like this and back down. And what that's gonna do, it's gonna create a ridge. So right where your two fingers were, I'm going to want you to add a clip. Great, we're going to add a clip. And now, I want you to put your fingers where the clip is. Comb that back down. And now the direction of the ridge is going to the right, so that's where we're going to comb. We're going to put our fingers here. Comb this down, and then we're gonna brush this way to the right. Then comb that down. Hold that with your fingers. Now at that same time, we're gonna do the opposite. We're gonna comb down a little bit and comb to the left. That's gonna give you this little dip wave here in the front. And don't worry if you have flyaways, because we haven't sprayed any hairspray, so we don't have to worry about that right now. Because if we just keep spraying hairspray as we go, there's going to be a lot of buildup. We don't need that. So right now we're okay with no hairspray and just maneuvering with our fingers and our comb and our clips. So same thing. Here, put your fingers here, comb down a little bit, and then to the left. Now we're gonna add a clip right here. Now remember, we're just working with this right now. Now this is really stubborn because this is where my bangs end. So I'm just gonna tease up a little bit, this into the same wave pattern. So this is going to the right, so I'm just gonna comb it to the right and then comb back down to the left. And now the back of the hair, if you curled and set your hair going back in the same direction, all you need to do is brush through and it's already gonna have that wave pattern. So I'm not gonna worry about that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and grab all of this hair and then tease up. And then go in and comb. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put my fingers here, bring this wave, comb this wave down, and bring it over here, and put a clip right there. Fingers here, and drag it to the left. Put your fingers there.